Hi, my name is Tori, and I want to share how Jamal Javanji's Sustainable Alignment Workshop has been really transformative for me.
Hi, my name's Scott, and I recently took the Sustainable Alignment Workshop, and I wanted to take a moment to share how I've benefited from this.
So I recently got to participate in the Sustainable Alignment Workshop. It's a 6-week group life coaching workshop that Jamal created, and I know that I'm his wife and that some of you may know that I'm his wife, but I can honestly say that participating in the Sustainable Alignment Workshop was the most beneficial thing I've done for myself in the last year.
I think that it's a really important step for anybody who wants to become aware and practice awareness and become a better, healthier version of themselves.
I've benefited by becoming more secure in who I am as an individual.
The daily practices introduced in the workshop really helped me take the paradigm shifting concepts and transform them into a sustainable way of living.
I started out kind of stressed and anxious and dealing with a lot of big life changes. And after completing the workshop, I feel like I practice more of a sound mind. I'm really intentional with meditation. I believe that it's groundbreaking and transformative, and I believe that because I did that workshop, I am a better, healthier version of myself.
The Sustainable Alignment Workshop has given me some new tools and some new ways of thinking, so when things arise in my life, I have a better way of handling these situations.
Because the Sustainable Alignment Workshop is a group workshop, I think that it is a great way for anyone who isn't sure if one-on-one life coaching is for them, if they've never tried life coaching. I think it's a great way to kind of dip your toe in the water, and I can honestly say you'll be hooked.
It's an opportunity for you to become very aware of yourself, aware of your surroundings, aware of life and what life has to offer and what life really means. And I believe that awareness is ground for transformation. And so when you become aligned with the way that things are, everything in your life begins to change.
One of the things I'm also experiencing is a huge reduction in worry about the future. And I'm finding it's also showing me that life is more dynamic and there's more possibilities. It shows me that the patterns and the cycles of my past are not necessarily going to be the same in the future.
I could feel a difference in myself just after day 1 of the Sustainable Alignment Workshop.
So if you're needing some positive changes in your life and maybe change of thinking, I'd recommend taking this workshop.
I loved the workshop. I recommend the workshop. I think that if you're ready to take a deeper step into awareness and expand as a human and grow and learn, I think that the Sustainable Alignment Workshop is absolutely worth it.